Good. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Olu, and I got my team with me, Mark and Sharon. We've created a pizza page for marketing automation for a pizza company. The name of the pizza company is uh, uh, Pizza Pepperoni Pronto. So this is where if Pepperoni Pronto staff want to promote their product, we've created a Twitter which is Pepperoni Pronto, and then for promoting the product, and then we've created this on the through the workflow on the Power Apps, and then we've created a Power App on the Canvas page where we've created where we can actually navigate, and then this is the front page, the home, where we get the post on the Twitter to promote Pepperoni Pronto, and then we created a Power BI where it shows the analysis of the customer sentiment, where we receive their feedback in order to promote the product. The It's currently loading, so when it's loaded, so I will be able to show you the statistics of the sentiment from the customer. And here is it on the blue color. That's a negative sentiment from the customer, and the purple one shows the neutral, while the orange one showing the positive. So we'll be able to track this to monitor the improvement in the on and sales, and then the analysis of our business, Pronto Pepperoni. So I will hand over to my colleague to if the for further explanations on our on our website.
Great. Thanks for that, Olu. As Olu's explained with this app, we have implemented using the Dataverse and some tables to hold some of our data. So we have data to store the posts that the user will want to create. And then we've also got a Power Automate that is triggered on the creation of a record to that table, which will then trigger and record the sentiment of the post that was trying to be scheduled or posted. And then that will store for us records that allow us to track the sentiment of all of the posts we put to Twitter or any social media. And as Olu showed in the app, we have a page to choose to create a new post, and there we can choose the platform that we would like to post to. And in our sample data here, we've been using Twitter, which I think Shan will elaborate a little more for you.
Yeah, I'll just share my screen for you. So the first thing that we did was to create a Twitter account for Pepperoni Pronto. And you can see that we've been doing lots and lots of Power Platform School hack posts during the day. And loads of people are finding pizza really yummy. So what we did was we used the Power app to create the post. So the first form that you saw, if you fill that in, it then puts a post in here. This is one that we did 25 minutes ago. So the app takes the post, the flow posts the post. And then, as we said, we look at the sentiment analysis, and then that comes back to us in a refreshed data set. So there's some flows under the hood, some Power Apps, but in a small team, we've created such a lot during the day. It's been a typical hack where we've had some technical challenges, where we've been light on people. And what we've done largely is we've used it as a learning experience for Olu to be able to do some teaching moments and to be able to guide him through creating the Power App, which we thought was more important than winning. In terms of roles in the team, Mac has very much been the data guy. Olu's been the Power Apps Canvas guy, and I've been doing the flows and the Power BI stuff under the hood. So I think it's been a really productive day, and we seem to have got quite a good solution out there despite all the constraints. So that's Team Olu.